The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. Good morning, everyone. I am Anamika, your preceptor. Today, I want to discuss with you the exact pattern of learning. As most of the students in present scenario believes in learning with understanding, but somehow, knowingly or unknowingly, they opted with the pattern of rote learning. So here, we are going to discuss down that what concept came under rote learning and where learning with understanding became a necessity. So we are not able to overlook by both the pattern, as both the method has some of the pros and cons as well. So we are going to discuss down both the method to find out an appropriate conclusion as to which approach is a better one. So rote learning, it means cramming of facts. As this methodology is very helpful where quick memorization is required, such as learning one line in a play or memorizing a telephone number. It is also needed where verbatim recall of definitions or numbers are required. We all know that we need to remember the phone numbers, we need to remember the mathematical formulas and definitions as such. And if we don't cram them, then we are not able to reproduce them whenever it's required down. Even any small part is changed, then the whole thing get wrong. Rote learning is the only way to learn the certain things like irregular verbs and vocabulary of foreign languages. As there is no logic behind irregular verbs, so surely we need to memorize them by heart. But with this, we are not able to deny with the reality that many students are using this practice in a wrong manner. The knowledge that we acquired by rote learning is not retained for the long. If a person does not repeat the information learnt by rote for the few days, then the whole things can be forgotten down after a period of time. Moreover, information learnt by rote cannot applied in the variety of the subject, like the information or knowledge that you acquired from the math with the rote method. So definitely you are not able to apply that in physics, and even it is really very boring to learn everything with the help of rote mathing or with the help of cramming. Definitely rote learning should be not only method of learning, meaningful learning is must. If we want to progress in life and apply our skills in varied field, surely the rote learning has its own importance in some of the cases. But one must take care of the reality that rote learning does not opt over the grasping of concept with understanding. I just want to say, choose your method of learning very wisely and continue with the habit of regular learning. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Stay happy, stay aware, stay knowledgeable, and wish you a good luck for your upcoming challenges. Thank you.